Hey everyone, welcome back to Ender IT. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to enable or disable the swipe down feature for the notification panel on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's get into the method. Start by tapping on the Settings app. From there, locate and select Home Screen. Scroll down until you see the option for Swipe Down for Notification Panel. This feature allows you to open the notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. If it's already on, you can toggle it off to disable it, or turn it on if it's currently off. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.